Hi everyone. Hopefully you guys are doing well. This is the uh, class of November 2024 CR exam question, and we have question two to be attempted, right? So now a lot of students in the group is basically asking what should be our final planner before going for exam, right? What should be our final planner that we should be going for exam? So I've made some notes for you guys that you can follow exactly this planner, right? See guys, this is the last month. Let's assume that we are let's assume that it's November 25 attempt, right? It's November 25 attempt and we are in October, right? So in November, the exams are usually on. Here, I've attached that in November, the exams are usually going to be 3, 4, 5 November, right? So 3 November would be your exam date. So as of now, all the accounting standard classes and past paper classes, right? Past paper classes should be done, right? So all the advanced information, all the accounting standard classes and past papers classes, as of now, should have been done, right? So, sir, if we have done that, if we have done that, then what exactly we are left with now? So you are left with now recent attempts, right? So what I have planned that a student should be attempting recent attempts. See, November 24 and July 25 will be attempted by me. I am uploading the classes of November 24 attempt, right? And second is July 25 attempt. I'm going to attempt the classes of this. So if November 24 and July is covered by me, that's what else we need to cover by ourselves. So you have to cover these questions, students, by themselves, right? See, guys, believe me, if you want to pass this, you have to follow this plan. If this plan is followed, then only you can pass. So you have an exam attempt fully available of July 23 exam. Second is November 23 exam, right? And third is July 22 exam, right? So that means the five, if we all covered these five attempts by ourselves, if we all covered these five attempts by ourselves, we are definitely scoring more than 50. Definitely we'll be getting 50 plus marks, right? Because we have done enough practice. So as of now, your accounting standards classes, right? Your accounting standard classes and your past paper classes should be done. Then you should be moving on to these classes. November 24 attempt that we are going to solve. We have solved its question 2, and now we are moving on to question 3 of it. And then we'll move on to July 25 attempt, right? And then we'll move on to July 25 attempt. And students, the thing is that students that they have to do in exam time and condition is July 23, November 23, and July 22. And see, guys, you can only attempt, note is that you can only attempt, right? You can only attempt the questions by yourself, right? By yourself once you have covered all accounting standards. Once you have covered all accounting standards, then you can only attempt the questions by yourself. Otherwise, you can't, right? So, therefore, I was emphasizing from the very start that you have to follow or you have to align your questions by yourself, align your plan by yourself. Nevertheless, see, we are in the last one now. Okay, so our target is to cover this paper complete until 17th of October. This paper, the most recent one, I'll say, the most recent one that have issued by ICAW. So most recent one that have issued by ICAW should be covered, right? Then what we'll do, then we'll go on to November 25 advance information, which is here, which is here for you. Yeah. Now this is the advance information, right? From where your question two of exam, from where your question two of exam belongs, right? So we'll be moving here. We'll be moving on this. That okay. So this is the thing that where our question two of exam will belong, right? So once we have covered these papers, right? Once we have covered these papers and this papers, and you guys have covered these three papers and self-attempted and sent it to me to for marking. So then we can exactly say that yes, now we can have a look on the November 25, that what exactly the examiner is wanting here, right? That what exactly the examiner is wanting here. So once we have covered the advanced information, what we'll see, we'll give 5 days to advanced information. We'll do software practice on it, which I have already covered in the other classes as well, right? Which I have already covered in other classes, but we'll do specifically to this, right? Covered in other classes, right? Then PDF document. See, there are several providers of analysis of this advanced information. So if there's a group of 3 4 students, I'll connect students to buy certain analysis from different institutes, right? I'll let you know which institute to be bought, so that you can exactly know that how and what this advanced information pertains, and we'll have a class on that as well, right? So several provider. So connect with students. I'll connect with you. I'll connect you guys with students, and then we will buy this doc, right? I myself will provide my analysis, but we have to do several other British or UK based teachers, so that we can see exactly how this work. And this is going to be 30 40 pounds, I believe, right? And similarly, if someone don't want to buy, it doesn't matter. I'll myself will cover the complete thing, right? Then we'll make some own pointers, right? And what can be tested, and approx 10 marks, you should be assuming that this would be from November 25 advanced information question to approx 10 marks, right? So guys, this is exactly the planner that you need to do in order to pass this beautiful paper, right? What is it? That November 24, this exam to be completed by SAB, right? Which I'll complete it today. This exam to be completed by me, right? This exam to be completed by SAP, right? Then we have November 25 advanced information, November 25 advanced information and software practice. We'll be definitely doing it. Then we have recent, now this is done by my side. This will be done by student side, solving these papers by themselves, right? And then once all the accounting standards are done, then only we can do. And once we are done with this, our target is till 17th October. We have to get this done, and then we'll move on to November 25 advanced information, right? So I believe that you guys exactly know that what we are headed to and what we have planned, and this is the only thing we can do. Since then we can pass, right? So this is the final planner for all the students, those who are effectively thinking of attempting this paper. So this is the final planner that I have shared with you, right? So any questions still here? Otherwise, we can move on to the questions.